Good morning, everyone. My topic is all about validity and types of validity. What comes in your mind when we say validity?
For me, validity is legally accepted and accurate.
But in the book, validity means the degree to which a test measures what it intends to measure, or the truthfulness of response. In other words, validity is accuracy of the test. Example of validity. You do a research paper or a survey and your topic is all about self-esteem of a person. So, but your questionnaire are not aligned to your topic. It doesn't measure the self-esteem of a person. So, your question are not valid. The assessment or test is valid if your assessment measure what it intends to measure. Your assessment is valid if it measure what it intends to measure. Remember, your questionnaire must be connected, aligned, and focused to your topic. You can be reliable or consistent but not valid. But in other hands, you cannot be valid if it is not consistent. So, it is good that your assessment is both valid at the same time reliable. So now, let's proceed to four types of validity. Number one is face validity. Dito ay ang first expression ng isang test. Sa unang tingin, ay minimeasure nito ang construct na gustong i-measure. Example, kung ang IQ test ay isang test, mukha na bang intelligent ang minimeasure niya kung usually nakukuha dito ang temptation. Importante dito ay maging mukhang legit ang isang test. Number 2 is a construct validity. Method of matching a measurement to the desired construct. Dito ay kinakailangang i-develop ang measurement based on fact at kinakailangan din very relevant to the construct itself. For example, an IQ test measure that construct of intelligence rather than a person education level on ability to memorize.
Dito sa content of validity, the evidence of the content validity of a test is found in TUS. Ito ang pinakamahalagang types of validity for our classroom teachers. There is no coefficient for content validity. It is determined by expert judgmentally, not empirically. Criterion-related validity. It is the measure of how accurately a student's current test score can be used to estimate a score on a criterion measure, like performance in courses, classes, or another measurement instrument. For example, the classroom reading grade should indicate similar levels of performance as standards reading test scores.